Hey guys, welcome back. We will continue with our topic histology of GIT. In this video, we will see histology of small intestine and large intestine. So let's begin. Small intestine consists of three parts: duodenum, duodenum, and ileum, as you all know. It also consists of four layers: mucosa, submucosa, muscularis, and serosa. So we will see all this layer one by one and what cells each layer contain. So our first layer is mucosa. Mucosa, it is lined from the simple columnar epithelial cells. It also has goblet cells and enterocytes. It is arranged in a circular pattern as you all can see in the image. It consists of mucosal outgrowth which is known as villi, which increase the surface area and also help in absorption. Like stomach mucosa consists of gastric gland, the small intestine mucosa consists of crypt of Liberknu. It consists of pluripotent stem cells. The cells are enterocytes, goblet cells, pinate cells, and enteroendocrine cells. We will see this cell and their function one by one. Enterocyte cells. As you can see all in the image, enterocyte cell consists of microvilli which is covered by glycocalyx. The main function of this enzyme is that it produces two enzymes, disaccharidases and peptidases. Disaccharidases help in breakdown of disaccharide to monosaccharide, and dipeptidases help in breakdown of dipeptide to amino acid. In our list, the next cell is pinate cell. Pinate cell is present in the basal portion of the crypt of Liberknu. Its main function is that it secretes lysosome phospholipase A2 hydrophobic peptides. These products are known as defensin. This binds and breaks down the membrane of microorganism and bacterial cell wall. It means that it is providing a type of resistance with the microorganism to our body. The next cell we have here is M cell, which is also known as microfold cell. This cell is mainly located in ileum mucosa overlying the lymphoid follicles, which is also known as Peyer's patches. Its main function is the transepithelial transport of particles and microorganisms. The microorganism which enters in our body, M cell, transport it towards the lymphoid follicle, and then lymphoid follicle destroy this microorganism by activating macrophages, T cells, T lymphocytes, and B lymphocytes. Goblet cell. We have not discussed about goblet cell because its main function is to secrete mucus. So we will now move towards our next layer of small intestine, which is submucosa. Submucosa consists of large blood vessels and lymph vessels, as we all know. Submucosa of small intestine consists of submucosal nerve plexus. This nerve plexus helps in the movement of the microvilli and helps in the movement of the smooth muscle of muscularis mucosa layer. We also have branch tubular mucus gland, which is known as Berners gland or duodenal gland. Mucus secrete is alkaline, which neutralize the chyme. Submucosa contain well developed mucus associated lymphoid tissue, MALT. This mucus associated lymphoid tissue, they function as immune cells when they are in contact with a specific antigen. Then our next layer is muscularis. We have two type of muscle in small intestine, external and internal. Internal is circular layer and external is longitudinal layer. Between these two layer is present our next plexus, which is also known as mesenteric plexus. Mesenteric plexus, its main function is to control the peristalsis movement of the small intestine. As you can see in the image, longitudinal muscle and circular muscle, and there is a presence of mesenteric plexus between them. Then the last layer we have serosa. Serosa is composed of mesoepithelial cell and connective tissue, as it was in case of stomach. In small intestine it becomes continued with mesenteric. Crohn's disease. It is an inflammatory bowel disease which occur due to immune reaction, environmental factor or genetic factor. In this disease there is increase in the activity of lymphocyte which causes inflammation to occur in the layer of the small intestine, which cause pain, bleeding, malabsorption and also diarrhea. Then we have large intestine. Its main function is to absorb water and electrolytes and turn it into a form of indigestible material. The parts of large intestine are cecum, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid and rectum. In this video, we will see all the layers of ascending colon, transverse colon and descending colons. It also consists of four layers: mucosa, submucosa, muscularis and serosa. Let's see each layer one by one. Mucosa. It is lined by simple columnar epithelium cell. Like other part of the GIT, mucosa here is also divided into three parts: The outer layer, which is covered by simple columnar epithelium cells. Then we have lamina propria. Then we have muscularis mucosa. The mucosal layer consists of goblet cells, colonocytes, and intestinal gland. The main function of the goblet cell is to produce mucus, and the main function of the colonocyte is active fluid absorption. Lamina propria consists of small blood vessels, and it is rich in lymphoid cells and nodules. Submucosa is rich in mucus-associated lymphoid tissue and contain blood vessels and lymph node, as MALT function is to initiate the immune reaction against a specific type of antigen. Then we have our next layer, which is muscularis layer. We have two type of muscles in large intestine. The outer layer is longitudinal layer and the inner layer is circular layer. The outer longitudinal layer in large intestine is connected throughout and it is formed in a band-like structure called tenia coli. Then at last we have serosa layer, which is composed of mesothelial cells and connective tissue. I hope this short video was interesting for you. Stay tuned for more video and thank you for watching.